Hey guys, before we start, subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tests.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Now you'll hear the same sound in both channels at the same time, with the signal 100% identical on each side, meaning left and right play exactly the same content simultaneously. This should sound perfectly centered. Both ears will hear exactly the same thing. If you hear no sound at all, the playback may be in mono. Next, we'll play a stereo sample. You should notice distinct elements on the left and right, giving a sense of placement in the soundstage. If the stereo sounds flat or identical on both sides, it's probably in mono. Now we'll run a mono test where the same signal is sent to both channels and everything should sound centered and identical. Use this to check phase and balance. We tested left channel, right channel, both channels with identical signal, stereo, mono, and ran a frequency sweep. If your channels are swapped, there are apps and utilities that let you swap or invert audio channels on phones and computers. You can also adjust channel mapping in your device's audio settings. Thanks for watching and keep the volume safe. Drop a like, hit the bell, and tell us in the comments. Did you notice anything with your headphones or speakers?